Hi you guys, it's me, Mayashantell. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much if you subscribed to my channel so far. Thank you so much for the support. Really appreciate it. I just want more support, more love. Just, keep it coming. I really appreciate it. So today I just did this curly blonde wig from Amazon, and I'm kind of on a roll with these Amazon wigs. Yeah, so I got a blonde one this time, and I ended up bleaching, not bleaching, but just putting some brown dye on the roots just to see how that would look. I was gonna go for like that all blonde Halle Berry look, but instead I just decided to do the brown. I really love this look, and I hope you guys love it too. I'm gonna leave the description for the hair down below in the description box. I said description. I'm gonna leave the link for the hair in the description box, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe like I said. Thank you so much for watching and so much for tuning in. So let's go. So in case you guys were wondering why I have these socks in my hair, I decided to try to trend all over social media with the effortless curls or heatless curls using your socks. So I just put the socks in my head overnight, and I decided to try this. I know I'm a little late, but I just said why not. It's really easy, and I'm going to show how it turned out for me later on in the video, so stay tuned. Bye.